Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your account in Stash with 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Stash app or visit the Stash website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security section within the account settings. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of 2FA. Options may include using an authentication app or receiving text messages. If you choose an authentication app, download one if you haven't already. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Open the authentication app and select the option to add a new account. A QR code will appear on your Stash screen. Use your authentication app to scan the QR code. Once scanned, your app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to the Stash app or website and enter the verification code. Confirm the code to complete the 2FA setup. If you opted for SMS, enter your phone number in the designated field. Stash will send a verification code to your phone. Retrieve the code from your text messages and enter it in the required field. Confirm the code to activate SMS-based 2FA. Review your 2FA settings to ensure everything is correct. Make sure to note down any backup codes if provided. Store these codes in a safe place for future reference. Once everything is set, you are now secured with two-factor authentication. Every time you log in, you will be prompted for your 2FA code. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated your account in Stash with 2FA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.